Hey loves, welcome back to my channel. I'm Mama Merely. If you're new, thank you for stopping by, and if you're a returning subscriber, thank you so much for coming back again. So guys, in this video, as you can see, I already have my face done, my skin work done. If you want to see how I achieve foundation routine, I have a video up on my channel, so you can go check that out. So guys, as the title states, this video I'm going to just be concentrating on my eyes. I'll be doing a smoky eye tutorial. So let's get right into this video. So for this tutorial, I'll be using the Sigma Beauty palette and their brushes to achieve this look. But before I get started, I'm going to prime my lids. I'll be using the P. Louise base in Rumors 04 to prime my lids. To blend out the concealer, we're going into the Sigma E40 tapered brush, blending brush. After blending that out, I'll be going into the Laura Mercier translucent medium deep setting powder to set it. So now I'm done setting it. I'll be going into the Sigma Spicy Eyeshadow Palette, Shades and Bites. So I'll be using another E40 brush. I'm just packing it onto my eye and blend it out. Then I'll be going into the Sigma Untamed palette, and I'll be using the color Feral. Using the Sigma E38 diffuse crease brush, just gonna blend it above that. Just make sure you blend it well. Then I'm going into the color Mocha. I'm just blending it on the crease because it's a darker shade. We're building it from light to dark. When working with smoky eye, you have to make sure that you blend well. So I'm going back into the Sigma Untamed palette. Now I'm going to be going into the black Wicked. I'm using the medium angled shading brush, Sigma E70 brush, to just pack the dark shade is a matte shade. So I'm just, can you see, a little goes a long way with this colors, and I'm just packing it carefully. I'm going to go back into the E40 brush with the remaining products in it and just blend out the edges so there are no ash lines in between where each color meets. Because I have an hooded eye, I'm just going to make sure I cover my crease with the black, so when I look straight you can see the intensity of the color. So guys, I'm done with this eye, so I'll just replicate what I did here and I'll be back. So I'm done with that. So now I'm going to apply my mascara, draw a liner, and then apply my lashes. For the liner, I'll be using the Colourpop liquid liner. For mascara today, I'll be using the Major Extension Mascara. For the lashes, I'll be using Tease Me by Wings Lashes. I'm going to go into the Sigma Spicy Eyeshadow Palette in the color Mocha with my Sigma E55 brush, my lower lash line. So guys, this is the smoky eye look. So I'm just going to finish up my face and show you the final look. So guys, this is the final look. If you enjoyed the tutorial, please don't forget to give me a thumbs up, and I'll see you on my next one. Bye guys.